Out in the yard this morning, a gentle brown hen is sitting quietly on her nest. And today, our little kitchen helpers are visiting. One is a bright white egg named Shelly, and the other is her brown-shelled friend Hazel. Now, some people believe that white eggs come from white chickens, and brown eggs come from brown chickens. But that's not quite the way it works. The color of an egg actually depends on the breed of the chicken. Some hens lay white eggs, some lay brown, and some even lay pale blue or green. But inside, every egg is just an egg. Shelly and Hazel carefully gather 2 fresh eggs from beneath the hen. Soon the eggs are resting in a pot on the stove. But something surprising happens sometimes. If eggs are placed directly into boiling water, just when the water begins to bubble and roll, crack, an egg suddenly opens right in the pot. And that can make the egg a little messy. But grandmother always knew the reason. Eggs can crack when the shell meets sudden heat. When a cold egg goes straight into boiling water, the inside warms too quickly, and the shell can split. So grandmother had a simple trick. She always placed the eggs in the pot with cool water first, and then slowly warmed the pot to boiling. The eggs heat gently together, and the shells stay whole. And when the eggs are finished cooking, grandmother always placed them in cold water. That little step stops the cooking and helps the shells peel away much more easily. And when the shells slip away easily, the eggs are ready for something wonderful. Today, we are going to turn them into deviled eggs, smooth and creamy, filled with a simple mixture of egg yolk, mayonnaise, and a touch of mustard. Then arranged carefully on a pretty egg dish. A light sprinkle of paprika, a little fresh parsley, and suddenly the plate looks ready for guests. Because people love these little eggs. They're the kind of food that always disappears first at a gathering. A favorite dish that always ends up with an empty platter. If you enjoy simple kitchen secrets like this, be sure to like the video and follow Grandmother's Kitchen so you won't miss the helpful tips and recipes we share here. And now, we'll show you Grandmother's classic deviled egg recipe, perfect for your next party plate. In Grandmother's Kitchen, even the smallest kitchen secret helps make something wonderful.